169, 169. Hello, good morning, good evening. My name is Pompsie, if you are unaware. I'm a vlogger and filmmaker in Las Vegas local. And today we are at the Trump International Tower Hotel in Las Vegas on the Strip. So today we're at Trump International Hotel in Las Vegas. I just want to first say that this video has no ties to any political ideology or party or anything like that. And I hope that you, like myself, are interested in seeing this place regardless of what you think about politics, especially right now. I'm here just because it's a popular hotel on the Strip and I'm just trying to continue making my videos. So I hope you can respect that. And let's not make the comment section all about politics. That's not what I'm here for.
Thank you for calling Research Services. Let me say popular party.
Are you guys doing room service?
You know, sir, I do want to apologize. Unfortunately, this time we are not doing room service due to COVID. However, our restaurant is doing to-go orders. Unfortunately, you do have to place the order in person and pick it up in person as well.
So one of the first things I noticed when I got in here was the full kitchen area. They have a big fat refrigerator that you can put stuff in. They even have a stove and a stove top and a microwave. There's even a garbage disposal in the sink, that's crazy. I don't think I've seen that at hotels. So, and I just got food from downstairs, from the hotel downstairs, the DJT. Figured I can order there and I can, if I don't finish it, I can put it in the refrigerator and heat it up later for dinner. Hello, good morning, good evening. I also just want to make a quick note and say that I love you guys so much for supporting me during the Cosmo situation and all the comments and support and messages I received, and it really, I love you guys so much. The support's just unbelievable. You guys know that I'm not a troublemaker. I'm just trying to make some fun videos and promote Vegas and show some stuff. Let's begin. Okay, so I wanted to get a really nice room here, so I ordered this suite at the Trump Tower. It's got a kitchen area, you got your living room, a couple TVs, 2 bathrooms, a very nice and big bedroom, and a kitchen area. Yeah, so this place is really cool. Oh, so one thing I need to note though is that, so when I got here, there's no self-parking. There's only valet, so you can pay for them to valet your car. But what I chose to do was I parked for free at the Palazzo, or at the Venetian actually, and then I just took a short Uber. It cost me $9 to get dropped off here. This is actually the first property on the Strip that I've stayed at, which doesn't have self-parking, and that's just something interesting to note. Might not make a difference if you're not renting a car or whatever, but yeah. So this is bathroom number 1, the main bathroom, not the master bathroom thing. And it's interesting because it actually has a shower. Wow, that's a really nice shower too. Look at this. Okay, so this is the master bathroom. Very nice. And here's the other shower. Oh, no. This is the toilet, actually, the toilet room. Bada bing. Whoops. But this is where the shower is. Wow, so yeah, it looks really, real nice. And you got your tub. So there's the tub and the shower. Not exactly sure what these things are. Man, I'm just such a noob sometimes. What the hell is this? Is this a shoehorn? I gotta say, I'm a big fan of the color scheme here. I love the gold, black, white style, especially this couch. Like the pillars are nice and gold. That's cool. I like it. I mentioned how the kitchen was kind of fully stocked, a lot more than I've ever seen in other casinos and hotels. Also, a coffee maker. Interestingly enough, I think someone asked, like, are there ever any coffee makers in these rooms? And I said, no, I've never seen it, but here you go, here's one, that's cool. So you got all the coffee you need. Complimentary water. That's another thing you don't see in other places, that's cool. This. So similar to Vdara, Trump International is just a hotel. It does not have a casino. You come here for that luxury hotel stay. It's got a pool, it's got a fitness center and a spa, and just chill, really nice rooms. Oh, also I think you can buy private residences here, so it really is comparable to Vdara. Not bad, actually. I was expecting worse. So it's about 8:30 the next morning. Last night I really didn't do too much other than relax. I read a little bit, watched some Sopranos, and got some sleep to make up for the last couple nights. I just really didn't get much good sleep recently. Regardless, today's a new day, and first things first. About to go get a pump in. Just kidding.
So you're just so doesn't help to know you're just so you're just so doesn't so you're just so doesn't help to know you're just so you're just
So in a very interesting turn of events, I'm about to head to the Bellagio and go check out one of their nicest, most expensive rooms, like a $2,000 a night room. Some big YouTuber was staying there the past few nights and he just DM'd me and said, hey, you want to check out this room? So I'm heading over there now. But to just wrap up quickly about the Trump Hotel, I really enjoyed my stay here. Also, the pool water was extremely warm. Just got that luxury feel that I really love. Very quiet, chill atmosphere. And then as far as location on the strip, that was what I was most concerned with. But like a 10-minute walk, you get to the front of the Wynn. And then there's a lot of other things close to the Wynn. So yeah, I mean, overall, I think it's a good place. I really enjoyed it. I'll probably be back here next year after I'm done staying everywhere else. But thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me as always. I love you guys. So throw a like if you want to help me out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
so